In class example 1.51, we will sketch the inverse of a function and describe some of its characteristics. I encourage you to try this on your own before clicking through. First, let's make a prediction on whether the inverse of this function will itself be a function. Well, though our original function does pass the vertical line test, it will fail the horizontal line test. This means that the inverse will not be a function. In order to graph the inverse, we take each point and exchange its coordinates. For example, the point -7 and 6 becomes 6 and -7. The point -6 and 7 becomes 7 and -6, and so on. We see here that we have one invariant point, which is to say one point that lies on both of the two graphs. This point will also lie on the line y equals x, for it is a point that has the same value as its x and y coordinate. In this case, the invariant point is 4 and 4. In order to determine the domain and range of our original function, we can simply identify the leftmost and rightmost points and the lowest and highest point. Here we see the domain goes from -7 to 8, and the range goes from a minimum height of 2 to a maximum height of 7. Remember, because we are exchanging all things x and y, our new domain and range will simply be exchange of the original here. So the original domain will become the new range, and the original range will become the new domain.